Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to bring an important information regarding the contraction and the labor pain. How the labor pain was meant to me. Seriously guys, I am not going into any technical issues what the contraction and what happens during that and blah blah blah. It is just purely my experience how I have felt this labor pain. So guys, stay tuned. This is Anjusha. Welcome to Ange Talks. I actually had a normal delivery. So when I was pregnant, I was educated the difference between the Braxton Hicks and the true contractions. So in they educated me that the different phases of labor, like early stage, transitional, and then active phases of labor. But in every way there was some word like contraction. So contractions at regular intervals. In the true labor you will face the contractions at regular intervals. So the pain, they told me that I was not very much clear that how the pain will be. So in case if you are new mom, so you might not have experience of this pain, so just this video helps you to find out how the pain was that time for me. So I asked many people who have undergone this process of normal delivery, so how would be the pain. So many told it will be like a period pain, and some told they don't even remembered it, and some told that it is, they don't give a thought of it because the pain was so horrible. So I was not getting a pure idea that how the pain would be in case if I get any pain. So should I rush to the hospital, or should I manage somehow? Or I was not very clear. So guys, I would tell that exactly. I would tell how the pain was to me. So I will tell that the pain is like a wave. So it starts slowly and then intensifies and then goes to the peak stage and then comes down. So this is one cycle. So similar is the cycle of a wave. A pain is a cycle of a wave. So it starts and then slowly intensifies and reaches a peak and then comes down. So I can give one more analogy. It is like while you are riding a gaint wheel. In the gaint wheel, when you go to the top, when you are about to come to the down, so that time your heart sinks. So when you come down, then it all goes. The gripping of your fear when you are at the top, while coming down, you do get a kind of fear. So that is the fear which we get while we are undergoing the process of this pain. So this wave-like pain is common for all the contractions, whether it is early phase or active phase or transitional phase. But in the early phase, those two waves of contractions at larger intervals of time, whereas in active phases of labor, these contractions are very near. These wave type pains are very in very regular intervals. It is very frequently you will get it. So once these intensifies and finally you will be able to give delivery to your baby. So the pain, I can say that the pain is like a wave. A pain slowly it starts, intensifies and then peak and then calm down. And again some rest, then slowly starts, intensifies, then peak and then again calm down. So guys, this was my experience when I had this normal delivery. So I think many might have the same experience. So guys, if you do have any thing, you just comment in my box. Many people might have told you about that pain will be so horrible, but I can say that the pain is manageable. So guys, do follow me in my further videos. I'll tell you how I have undergone these phases of labor and what actually happened that day. So guys, stay tuned. This is Anjusha, and if you do like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to share the video. That's all for today guys. Bye bye.